Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about perfecting your hair game. The IDN Beauty Skinlike Real HD 13x4 Lace Frontal. This product promises a seamless, natural look that's perfect for those who want to elevate their hair extensions to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this HD Lace Frontal claims to be an easy, glueless solution that's beginner-friendly. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's break down the key features of this 13x4 HD Lace Frontal. First, the lace itself is ultra-thin, only 0.1 millimeter, making it nearly undetectable. It's made from real Swiss HD lace, which is renowned for its ability to blend seamlessly into your skin, offering an incredibly natural appearance. This lace is not just thin, it's also breathable, soft, and lighter than other lace options out there. According to the description, this lace is superior to transparent lace, offering better blending capabilities. The hair itself is made from 15A grade virgin human hair, which means it's soft, smooth, and tangle-free. The knots are single and pre-bleached to prevent shedding and over-bleaching, with technology designed to keep everything undetectable. For those looking for ease of installation, the lace is glueless, and the pre-plucked natural hairline ensures a more natural finish with less effort. The 2x6 inches of lace space allows you to create a deep middle part or side part, depending on your preference. Now let's talk about how this product actually performs. When I first received the Lace Frontal, I was impressed by the lightness and softness of the lace material. It really does feel like it melts into the skin, which is exactly what you want in a lace frontal. As for installation, I was able to apply it without the need for adhesive, thanks to the glueless design, and the pre-plucked hairline made it much easier to blend without a lot of extra work. The hair itself is incredibly soft and has a nice natural flow to it. I didn't experience any tangling or shedding, which is a huge plus for longevity. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The 13x4 lace space is a bit more limiting than some larger lace frontals out there, especially if you're looking for more styling versatility. Additionally, while the knots are small and mostly invisible, there's still a slight visible trace of them upon close inspection, especially if you're not using the proper products to disguise them. The lace does blend well, but it's still crucial to find the right foundation or powder to match your skin tone perfectly. So, what are the pros and cons? Let's dive in. On the plus side, the lace is incredibly thin and breathable, which gives it an undetectable finish. The virgin human hair is soft and tangle-free, and the glueless design makes installation a breeze, especially for beginners. The pre-plucked hairline also helps to reduce styling time. On the flip side, the lace space is a bit smaller than some other frontals out there, so if you're used to larger areas to work with, this could feel limiting. While the knots are pre-bleached and small, they're not entirely invisible, and some product application might still be necessary to perfect the look. Is this product worth the price? Considering the premium quality of the 15A grade virgin hair, the ultra-thin 0.1mm HD lace, and the ease of installation, I'd say it does offer decent value for money, especially for anyone who wants a high-quality, glueless lace frontal. While it may not be the most affordable option, its features justify the price if you're after something that provides a natural and comfortable fit. When it comes to alternatives, there are other lace frontals in the market at a lower price point, but they may not offer the same blendability or softness as this one. For those on a budget, you might find options with a slightly thicker lace, which could be a good compromise between price and performance. In terms of build quality, this lace frontal feels well made. The material is durable, and the pre-bleached knots in virgin human hair suggest that it should hold up for quite a while with proper care. However, as with any hair product, regular maintenance is key to ensuring it lasts long-term. When it comes to customer service, I didn't need to reach out directly for any issues, but IDN Beauty has a solid reputation for delivering quality products. That said, if you have any issues, it seems they offer good support based on their online presence. To wrap it up, the IDN Beauty Skinlike Real HD 13x4 Lace Frontal is a solid choice for those looking for a high-quality, glueless, beginner-friendly option. While it has its limitations, like the smaller lace space and slight visibility of knots, it offers a fantastic natural look with minimal effort. If you're after a product that's easy to install, blends seamlessly, and gives you a beautiful finish, this could be a great fit. If this review was helpful to you, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to Beautyistic for more reviews like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this lace frontal or have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep things beautyistic.